Hello everyone. So today I got a warning message on my Forerunner saying that my key fob battery is low. So today I'm going to show you how you can change your key fob battery to a newer one. So this video is about replacing key fob battery. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. It's really easy. And let me switch the camera and give you a close-up to show you how I do it. Alright, so right now I have my key fob, a new battery, and let's see how we can change. So notice on the key fob you have this button to take out the manual key out. So press on this dot. You can see the dot right here. Press that button so it will release this key. So then you can see this small tab or this groove. Insert the key into this and twist it so you can open this key like that. So see how easy it is. So now you can open it like this. Just gently open the key so you can see the circuit board, and then you have the battery underside of the key. So you can see this battery is a 1632 battery. So let's change this battery to a newer one. So I have my battery here. So I got the newer battery, and then I'm going to use a small tool to open this battery from these 3 tabs. You can see 1, 2, 3 tabs. So you need to take this battery out of these tabs. Just gently take the battery out like that. Let's install the newer battery. Push it in and then put the circuit board back where it was. So you can see where this square is on the key fob. So that is where this chip goes in on top of the square. So align it that way like that, and then put the key fob back in. So if there is any dust, you can just wipe it off. My dog's fur is everywhere. I don't know how the dog's fur come into this key fob. Maybe the dog is driving the car. Alright, let's put the keys back together so you can see this groove for the manual key, and on this side also you have that groove. So align together like this and just press it gently, and make sure all the sides are pushed all the way in, and then put back your manual key. So everything should work as is. Alright, seems to be working. So that's how you change your key fob battery. Alright, hope that video is helpful to you, and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done so. If you like this video, consider giving me a thumbs up, or if there is anything, leave it in the comments. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.